Hey mentors! Again, thank you for taking the time to review these essential trainings. In this presentation, we're going to examine the process and logic behind creating supplemental teaching materials, as well as defining some commonly used buzzwords. You may have heard this term from your instructor, in Don Baptist's weekly mentor emails, or in emails from myself and my co-senior mentor, Michael Miller. In the context of this program, I define supplemental material as media, literature, or strategies implemented to expand upon course topics and reinforce concepts about both craft and process. Our newer mentors will have encountered supplemental reading materials in English 484. Another example could be a spreadsheet of comments frequently used when providing feedback, or an independent video production, such as this presentation. For our purposes, there are two models of interaction, synchronous and asynchronous. A synchronous model includes a lesson, workshop, or seminar that occurs live, typically hosted by an instructor and mentor and attended by students. While asynchronous materials are presentations that are recorded, presented, and posted with the express intention of being viewed without constraint, similar to an on-demand service, like Netflix. So why are we asking you to consider creating supplemental content in this training? Because in doing so, first and foremost, you're identifying and addressing a group need or problem. By addressing a need, you're becoming a presence and not just a name in the discussion thread. You can also avoid redundant feedback by clarifying concepts and expectations. Overall, you're increasing engagement and helping to make the online space more dynamic and interactive. Thank you for watching this introductory video, and please continue with part 2 of the training. In the following modules, you will be presented with ideas and tools used to create supplementary material and further engagement with students in the Writer's Studio.